Hello friends, again I welcome you in our channel AVS Studies. Today we will study about the cubic equations, right? The equations which are having complex roots, okay? And in order to find out the complex roots, we must need a cubic equation by which we can judge the equation will have the complex roots or not, okay? So in order to find the complex root, what we have a equation. Let's see the equation. The equation is m cube or x cube minus x square plus 4x minus 4, that is equal to 0. In order to solve this equation, we have to first check, give this equation name 1. Now first we have to check this constant term factors. The factors of this constant terms are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4. So these are the factors of this constant term, right? In cubic equation, definitely one of the factor, either plus 1 or minus 1, plus 2 or minus 2, plus 4 or minus 4 will satisfy this equation 1. Okay, so one of the factor must satisfy given equation 1, right? So we will check it at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, the left hand side will be 1 minus 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 4, then we will get 0. So the expression will be 0 equal to 0. That means x equal to 1 is satisfying equation number 1. If x equal to 1 is satisfying equation number 1, then x minus 1 will be a factor of equation 1. That means x minus 1 will divide this equation and there will be remainder 0. X minus 1, x cube minus x square plus 4x minus 4, right? In order to divide, we have to multiply x minus 1 by x square so that we can get the x cube. So to get x cube, we have to multiply x minus 1 by x square. So we will multiply by x square, right? So we get here x cube minus x square. Okay, both the term will cancel out. Both will cancel out. We will having the terms plus 4x minus 4. Then we have to multiply by 4 into x minus 1 so that we can get 4x minus 4. Again the remainder is 0. So we are having x square minus 4. So this is the another factor. So here what we got that the first factor will be calculated by the hit and trial method. So the first factor, that is x minus 1, that we calculated by using hit and trial method. Okay, so this is the hit and trial technique, right? Now, and the second one will get by dividing the given equation using the first factor. Okay, so now we are having the factors of equation 1, x minus 1 and x square minus 4 plus 4 are the factors of equation 1. So now x minus 1 x minus 1, and so it can be written as x, you have to look it carefully, that is x, let me correct it. So x equal to 1 and x equal to plus minus 2y will be the roots of equation 1, right? So this is the procedure to solve a cubic equation, right? The means of solution stands, we have to find out the value of x. Okay, so there is first value of x is 1 and the second value of plus minus 2y. We will see another example. In another example we are having a cubic equation. Let's say m cube plus a cube, that is equal to 0. We have to solve it for m. Right? In order to solve it for m, we have to remember the formula a cube plus b cube. The formula of a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. So this is the formula for a cube plus b cube. Now we will move forward to solve this given equation number 1. We will write m cube plus a cube, m plus a, and then m square plus a square minus ma. So that is equal to 0, right? Now either m equal to minus a or m square minus ma plus a square, that is equal to 0. Now using Sridharacharya rule, the values of m will be m equal to minus b, the rule is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here the value of a, b, c are from the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0, right? So here the value of b is minus m. So here the minus m, the minus will be cancelled out by this minus. The minus m plus minus under root b square. Let me correct one thing. The value of b is a. I beg your pardon for this. Okay, then plus minus under root b square, that means a square minus 4ac, that is minus 4, multiply by the value of a is 1. A is what? The coefficient of x square, that means the coefficient of m square will be the value of a, and the constant term, that is a square. Okay, so here upon 2a, the value of a is 1, 2 multiply by 1, and here will we have 2 multiply by 1. So the final value will be a by 2 plus minus under root 3a I upon 2. So these are the required roots of this cubic equation number 1. So the final roots will be, so m equals to the first root that we had, that is m equal to minus a, and the another roots a by 2 plus minus root 3 by 2 a I are the roots of this cubic equation. So this is the methodology by which you can solve a cubic equation, right? If you are having any problems of algebra, you can put them in comment section. I will try to solve those problems in front of you through my videos. Thank you very much. Keep study and love mathematics always. Thank you very much.